Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and again I am back with a new Excel function that is called minimum function, maximum function, mode function and median function. So let's start to learn one by one. First, I would like to explain about the minimum function. What is minimum function? So minimum function is in Excel is being used to find the smallest number in a set of value. It can be applied to a range or cell directly or directly to specify the numbers. So let's learn how it works. So its syntax is like equals to min bracket start and select the range and close the bracket and hit the enter. And you got the answer as a 27,000, which is a smallest value in this list. You can see 27,000 is a smallest value in this list. Now it's move to the next maximum function. Maximum function is used in a programming and mathematics to determine the highest value in a set of numbers or data points. It returns the maximum value from a list of values provided as arguments. So let's start to learn how it works. Its syntax is like same as a minimum function. So equals to max. Now it's asking for select the range. So we have select the range and close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer as a 98,000, which is a highest value in this data. If you want to see, you can see here the highest value is 98,000. So in this basis you can use the minimum function and maximum function at your workplace based on your requirement. Now let's move to the next function, that is mode function. Mode function in Excel is used to find the most frequently occurring numbers in a data sets, and it returns the mode, which is the set number that appears most often. If there are multiple mode numbers within the same frequency, Excel will return the smallest number. So let's learn how mode function works. So its syntax is like, so first select the cell where you want the result, and its syntax is mode equals to mode, select bracket start and select the range, entire range, and close the bracket and hit the enter. You will get the answer as a 35,000, which is a mode value of this data. Now let's move to the next function, that is called median function. So median function is in Excel being used to calculate the middle value of a data sets of numbers. So let us see how it works. So its syntax is equals to median, 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 bracket start, and asking to select the range. So select the range and close the bracket and hit the enter. You will get the middle value of this data set that is 62,500. So in this basis you can use these functions at your workplace in minimum function, maximum function, mode function and median function based on your requirement at your workplace. So hope you guys have enjoying this learning, and thanks for watching and happy learning. If you guys enjoy this learning and you like this video, so please like and subscribe this video, and we'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you and happy learning.